Hi there, just me today for our first Wily Wednesday. Now, Wily Wednesday is going to be a weekly slot of tips, time and money saving ideas that we have, and hopefully that you have too, about how to get on in life and just make life a bit easier for all of us. Everyone seems to be busy and mad these days, rushing about doing one thing or another and coping with kids and family and 101 things. And this is just a segment to see how we can make that a little bit easier. And today I'm actually talking about a money saving idea that we have been using for quite a while. You will have noticed in the past few years that many of the big commercial detergent and dishwasher companies have been going on about the powers of citrus fruits and the oils that you get in citrus fruits and all of that. And they've been selling us lemon scented and lime scented and orange scented, this, that, and the other. And basically just saying how the oils are fabulous for cleaning things. What they then do is they put a little bit of oil in and they put a little bit of scent in and they put a lot of chemicals in generally, and then they sell us that. So one of the things that we have been doing over the past maybe sort of year now is using a little something to keep our dishwasher fresh and clean. And that little something is a lemon. Isn't that amazing? A lemon. Now, we all use, or many of us use, lemons on a daily basis for putting lemon juice into things, adding flavour to things, putting, at this time of year, putting into a hot toddy to give us a boost of vitamin C. What we have been doing is when we have used up half a lemon, we scoop out the fibre in the lemon, and then we put the skin, cut off the end there, we put this skin into the cutlery tray of our dishwasher, and then we leave it there for maybe 3, maybe 4 washes. And what it does is the detergent that you will be using in the dishwasher anyway, and the heat of the water breaks down the oils in the skin of the lemon, and you will find that not only does that help keep your dishwasher clean and sparkling, but it also gives a fantastic lemony scent. We don't have it in the dishwasher all the time. We may have it in sort of 1 week and not have it in the next week. But when we do have lemon skins, that's what we use them for. And it keeps the dishwasher smelling good and also nice and bright and sparkly. So if you want to have a go at that, then please do. Don't leave it in the dishwasher for more than 3 or 4 washes. If you do very hot washes, then don't leave it in for more than 3, because this is a natural element, it will disintegrate as things do in a dishwasher. So this will disintegrate over time. If you're doing a hot wash, just leave it in for 3. If you're doing a cooler wash, then you could get away with 4, possibly even 5. But do make sure that you take the fibres out of the centre, because those are the things that break down quickest. Anyway, there we are. That's the first Wily Wednesday, and we'll be back to you with more in future weeks. Thanks very much for watching. We hope you find that useful, and we'll be back with you soon. Bye.